Hello folks, so I'm still here at the waterfall and I'm going to do a video of my friends that want to cover themselves in mud. So here we go. They take the mud from here and it's a tradition, and what they're doing now is they're covering themselves in mud. So Cliff, you're now officially Colombian. Cliff, how's it feel?
Es jabón natural de aquí, de la selva. No encontré. Claro, es jabón natural. Produce este lugar natural llamado el oído del mundo. Entonces este sirve como limpieza para tu cuerpo porque estamos en la Pachamama.
There's Cliff and there's Ali. He was covered earlier, but now he's not doing as much anymore. I have to get a video of this guy's back. This guy's back is incredible. Turn around. It's incredible. Wow. Okay. And look at Cliff. So this is a tradition here. Okay guys, that's it from the Cascades, the ear of the world, right here in Minca. Ciao. You know what I say? I'm working on it.